being the team captain lang, ano lang masasabi mo sa performance niyo overall? And yun nga, medyo naging premature yung exit, hindi kayo nakapasok sa finals.
Yeah, semi-final section na naman. Pero, yun lang, part lang siguro ng lesson, part lang ng learning, part lang ng journey. They're just the better team siguro. Hindi namin magawa ng solusyon eh. Yung mga star nila, yung mga players nila. So they were just the better team, pero kagandahan lang din naman nun is we just have a couple of weeks before mag-start yung next conference. So makakabawi agad kami. Tapos we have that duration na pahinga and to get better as a team and individually also.
How about guarding RJ tonight? Medyo maraming times na ikaw nagbantay na sa kanya, especially in the second half. Let's talk about your effort.
Grabe talaga si RJ. Kahit sinong ilagay namin sa kanya, kahit anong scheme, nababasa niya, nagagawa niya ng paraan. So, kaya naman siya yung leading na best player of the conference. So, says a lot about him. You know. Ayun, he's really a special player and so much respect to him. Yun.
How about yung fight na pinakita nyo? Kasi there were times na parang feeling ng lahat, lalayo na Hinebra, and then your team will make a 4-point shot, big shots down the stretch.
Kami naman po, alam niyo naman na mga bata ni Coach Cheng, lalaban kami kahit anong fight yan. So, and do or die po eh, backs against the wall. So, ginawa namin lahat para lumaban. And yun nga lang, tinulang lang.
Was lang the mood sa locker room, obviously.
Syempre frustrated. Lagi naman malungkot matalo. Lalo na we thought we had something special. Yun nga lang. Kulang pa din. Yeah, kulang pa din. So, back to the drawing board. Trabaho lang kami and try to get better.